Are you ready for financial freedom? Master mutual funds and the stock market. Welcome to Universal Money Mart.
Question 1. Standard deviation in mutual funds measures what? A. Average return. B. Volatility or risk of returns. C. Fund manager performance. D. Expense ratio. Answer B. Volatility or risk. Standard deviation is fund returns எவ்வளோ widely scattered இருக்குன்னு measure பண்றது. High SD means high risk, returns unpredictable. Low SD means stable, consistent returns. Remember, SD measures spread, not return itself. Question 2. Sharpe ratio measures what? A. Total return. B. Risk-adjusted return, excess return per unit of risk. C. Expense ratio efficiency. D. Market benchmark only. Answer B. Higher Sharpe means better risk-adjusted performance. Investors ku most useful per unit of risk எவ்வளோ return கிடைக்குதுன்னு காட்டும். Sharpe performance means Sharpe ratio. Question 3. Beta measures what? A. Absolute return. B. Fund sensitivity to market movements. C. Interest rate risk only. D. Liquidity. Answer B. Beta means market sensitivity measure. Beta 1 na fund market exactly follow panno. Beta greater than 1 means aggressive fund. Beta less than 1 means defensive fund. Question 4. Alpha refers to what? A. Risk-free rate. B. Excess return over benchmark. C. Total expense ratio. D. Standard deviation. Answer B. Alpha means fund benchmark விட எவ்வளோ extra return generate பண்ணதுன்னு. Positive alpha means fund manager benchmark beat பண்ணாங்க. Good. Question 5. Which ratio measures fund return relative to benchmark? A. Sharpe ratio. B. Standard deviation. C. Information ratio. D. Beta. Answer C. Information ratio. Active return versus benchmark divided by tracking error. Fund manager skill measure பண்றது. High IR means consistently beats benchmark. Question 6. CAGR stands for A. Current annual growth rate. B. Compounded annual growth rate. C. Calculated asset growth return. D. Cumulative annual gain ratio. Answer B. Compounded annual growth rate. Long-term investment return measure panna best method. Point-to-point calculation. Debt MF la credit risk measure panna எதை பார்க்கணும்? A. Standard deviation. B. Beta. C. Credit rating of portfolio securities. D. Sharpe ratio. Answer C. Debt fund credit risk means portfolio securities oda credit rating பார்த்து assess பண்றோம். AAA is highest safety. Question 8. Expense ratio என்றால் என்ன? A. Fund total return percent. B. Annual cost of managing fund as percentage of AUM. C. Entry load percent. D. Tax on returns. Answer B. Expense ratio is AMC charges as percentage of AUM annually. Lower expense ratio is better for investor. Question 9. Rolling returns use பண்றது எதற்கு? A. Daily NAV changes. B. Consistent performance over multiple time periods. Dividend calculation. D. Fund manager salary. Answer B. Rolling returns means multiple overlapping time periods la fund performance measure பண்றது. Consistency better assess பண்ணலாம். Last question. Duration in debt funds measures what? Fund age since inception. B. Sensitivity of bond price to interest rate changes. Lock-in period. Average maturity of equity holdings. Answer B. Duration is debt fund interest rate sensitivity. Higher duration means more sensitive to rate changes. Rate goes up, bond price goes down.
Unit 8 complete. இங்க பார்த்த இந்த key metrics and concepts ஓட meanings மட்டும் remember பண்ணா போதும். Calculations examல வராது. Score கமெண்ட்ல போடுங்க. Unit 9 scheme selection next video ரெடி ஆகுது. Subscribe பண்ணுங்க, bell icon press பண்ணுங்க. நான் விக்னேஷ், Universal Money Mart. Small SIPs, big dreams, consistent growth. Thank you for watching.